Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play casino in GCash app. So let's start. So it's very easy to do it. So first, of course, you have to register on GCash page. This is a Philippines bank, so remember that one. And it's important to be there to register here. Then you can create your account and also you can add the documents that are required for register here. When you do it, you can start using your cash in casinos that are available in Filipinas. And how you can do it? So you can play casino in Gcash. It includes Hawaii, of course, one of your character for staters how to play casino in Gcash. But at first, you can often enjoy free spin on new games. However, make a deposit that suits your bankroll size. You don't have any question about system, you're able to contact, okay? But, well, in this case, this is a normal casino for fancy dats, and as you can see, it's available to play with Gcash. You can start using the casino here, you can check it, the casinos that are available, but of course, if you wanna accept Gcash, well, almost all casinos can accept the Gcash, but it's important to link it in the account for your casino account to your cash account to start playing with that game. So guys, that's the way to do it. As you can see, it's very easy, but you have to first register on the cash and then you can start using it for the casino that you prefer. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.